Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to download the OnlyFans app in 2024. So, let's get into it. First, open your Chrome browser on your mobile device. In the search bar, type onlyfans.com and tap on the search icon. Once the page loads, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the Add to Home Screen option. Now, a pop-up screen will appear. From here, tap on the Install option to download the OnlyFans app. This process will take some time to complete. After this, go to your mobile home screen. Here, you will see the OnlyFans app is installed. Now, you can access OnlyFans with a single tap and log in, or create an account to use the app. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.